Hello, my name is Olakunle Babalola. I'm a mechanical engineer, a Primavera implementation specialist, a project consultant. This training is sponsored by Sheffield Global Limited and Kenix Oil and Gas Limited. The title of this training is How to Create Project using Primavera P6 Professional 18.8. The title of this training is Primavera P6 Training 01. So in this training, you will learn to add EPS, also learn to add OBS, you learn to link OBS to EPS, you learn to add resources, you learn to add roles, you learn to assign roles to resources, you also learn to add users, and lastly for this class, assign users to OBS and resources. In the previous class, I showed you how to lay foundation for your project, and give you to take a recap. Just few of the highlighted points are also added to what we are going to do today. Alright, so I said in building your project or setting up your project in order to Primavera P6, you have to lay foundation. So you build your project upon the laid foundation, and there are 5 steps. Okay, number 1 is setting up your EPS. Number 2 is setting up your OBS. Number 3 is setting up your resources. Number 4, setting up your roles, and number 5, your WBS. Okay, so what we want to do now, we're going to lay the foundation and take a step ahead or a step forward in creating our project. Okay, alright. So what we're going to do now, we are going to go straight into our Primavera P6. To do that, I have to launch the Primavera. Okay, I have to launch the Primavera. I go to my stats menu where the Primavera P6 is installed. Okay, I find it here. I click on it. Then allow it to load. Okay, the login name is admin, so I'm going to type in a password. You give me your password, you contact your Primavera administrator, you click connect. You wait for it to load in a few seconds. Alright, it's coming up. Just give it more time to come up. Alright, here we go. Here we go. It's coming up. Alright, Primavera P6 version 18.8. Alright, so at this point, the Primavera P6 is requesting for us to make a selection in the admin preferences, okay, as to what industry type we intend to use to build our project. So I'm going to click OK. Alright, then in few seconds to come out. Okay, now we now have our Primavera loaded. Okay, I have a blank project portfolio here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be creating projects here from scratch. So we move to laying foundation. So the first step is to set up your EPS. To set up your EPS. So that's what we're going to do right away. To set up your EPS, you click Enterprise menu. Then you see your EPS is the second toolbar in the Enterprise draw down. You click on it. Alright, here we go. So it is blank because it's either we install it with the application without including a sample project, or after installation you now delete the sample project. In my own case, what I did here, I installed a sample project. I've done series of training, so I deleted everything, make it blank, and I start from scratch. Okay, so we want to add or set up our EPS. What is an EPS? EPS are acronyms for Enterprise Project Structure, and it consists of multiple root nodes which enable particular types of projects to be glued together and can further be broken down to multiple nodes to categorize the types of projects. Okay, that's our EPS. So I'm going to start creating an EPS. I have a structure here that I've planned for us to use for this class. So to set in our EPS, before we start, look at the columns here. We have the drop down button here. Okay. They also have the first column, which is EPS ID. EPS ID, then the EPS name, second column. So then you have delete the layout here. We have the EPS detail. So at the right hand corner here, we have the buttons. Okay, so you get started. You click Add, the plus icon, which is used for adding. So I click Add. Okay, so I want to type the EPS name. The EPS name is, for this training, is Shares Tech Global Limited. I'll press enter. Then I'll move to the left. EPS ID. EPS ID is STG and press enter. Okay, so now the next step is to create the EPS nodes, which are the types of projects that are being categorized. Okay, so I'm going to start. Just watch me. I click Add again. Alright, you see when I click Add, you see this root node formed, indented or shifted right, which means it is sub-node of the root node shifted global limited. So I'm going to type, okay, what am I? The first one is project management. Project management. Enter. Then move to the left. EPS ID. EPS ID is PRJMGT. Press enter. I'll add another one. Okay, I shift it down, come to the right side here. You see the arrow down. See my cursor. You click it, shift it down, then click to edit. Second one is mechanical design / engineering. engineering, press enter, then the EPS ID, I click on it to edit, MBE. Okay, press enter. So I want to add another EPS. My EPS I want to add here will be training. Okay, I'll shift down, training, click to edit, training, enter. Alright, another one here is EPS ID TRNG. Press enter. Okay, let me stop here, but let me just show you how to make a sort of this EPS load. So now we're having multiple EPS load. So what I'm going to do in this training, I'm going to create 2 more. Okay, this training, I click add, I click my shift down, okay, and I shift right to have a sub node or a sibling. We call it sibling, okay, of training. So I have for the training, I have P6 mentoring and P6 tutoring and mentoring. Mentoring, so let me delete this and change it to tutoring. So the next step is to add the EPS ID. It will be PTM. So let me add the last EPS. Okay, add. I'll shift it down. Again, the same level with P6 tutoring and mentoring. So the second sibling for training is Primavera risk analysis. Press enter. Click the EPS ID to edit. So ID is PRA. Okay. Alright. Partially done with the EPS. So the next step is to set up my OBS. When I'm done setting up the OBS, I'll come back and link the OBS to the EPS. Alright, I'll temporarily close this window or this layout. You click close. Now, so set up OBS, you click enterprise menu, scroll down OBS. The OBS is an acronym for organization building structure. Okay, for organization building structure, and it is an hierarchical arrangement of company's management structure, either by individuals or by roles. Okay, and OBS are the responsible managers. Alright, they are the responsible managers. You need to note, take note. So to start with, I'm going to edit what I have there, or change it to Sheffield Global Limited. I'm not going to write full, I'm going to write Just abbreviate it. S T G N N. Press enter. Now let's get started. Click add. Click on add button to start adding. I said click OK. Alright. Oh, I still have the default here. Okay, I'm going to shift down. I'm going to delete this. I don't want to see this. I want a blank EPS. So let me delete first. Yeah, I'll continue. Or delete everything here. I want it blank. Because I want to create from scratch. So let me start my own OBS. Okay. So the OBS I'm going to use the first one here. So the first one I'm going to do here is going to be project management. Alright. So I start. So the OBS, like I said, is either you define it using roles, or you define using individual or by name. So the first OBS now for the project management. Okay, the responsive manager for each of these EPS node. Okay, so I'm going now project director. Project director. Okay, press enter. Then I add again. The next OBS I want to add here now is a mechanical lead. Mechanical lead. Enter. Add. Then I have my training manager. Training manager. And so add a shift right. So responsible manager for PC tutoring and mentoring. Now the P6 instructor. Then second one will be this Primavera risk analysis. Instructor. Okay, good. So if I want to also make it unique, okay, you just add name if you wish. On add name, yeah, just put an hyphen, or put Ola, or put Lapule, try to do it this way, so which depending on how you want to do it. The mechanical lead puts Wale, type Wale as my mechanical lead, Wale Johnson. Okay. Alright, so if you wish to identify the ABS, the responsible managers, by their names, so you type their names or by their roles. So for these two, I set up my OBS using roles and name or by individual. So but I decided to leave others as only roles. Okay. So I'm done adding my OBS for now. So I'm going to close my OBS layout. Then the next step now for me is to link my OBS to my EPS. To do that, I'll go back and click my EPS. Click Enterprise, scroll down to EPS, then you now highlight each of these EPS node, move down to the EPS detail here, you click on the responsible manager, go down, I'm going to select this, okay, I'll move back to another EPS node, program management, come down again, the responsible manager here, you click, you select the responsible manager for program management, then I'll move to engineering, come down to this group again, the mechanical lead Wale Johnson. Oh, I made a mistake in the spelling of the Johnson, just pardon me. Okay, move to training, come down here again, and add a training manager, then PC to tutoring and mentoring, come down here, I'll select my PC's instructor as the responsible manager. Then for various analysis, move down and I select my various analysis instructor. Okay, so now for me to now have an analytic view or a chart view of what I've done. This view now is called table view. So I'll take us to chart view. You click on this display, then chart view. So this is what we have done. So you now see your OBS and your EPS. So the EPS ID is up. Next row is the EPS name, and the last row is the OBS. That's the responsible manager. So for program management, the responsible manager is Director Lapine. The mechanical design and engineering the project responsible manager, that's OBS, is Wale Johnson. For training, I have the training manager. For tutoring and mentor, I have the PC instructor. For analysis instructor. Okay, so at a glance, when you look at it, with understanding or by intuition, you know that the last row here is the OBS. Alright, so I will take it back to my table view. Click display, move down, click table view. So we are done about OBS. I close. So what is the next step? The next step is to add resources. Resources are people, materials, or money and equipment. Or you say resources are labor and non-labor. What are non-labor? Non-labor are equipment, materials, items used on your project, while labor are the project personnel. So to add or set up your resources, also click on the enterprise menu, scroll down to resources, click on it, then to start setting up, you click the add button at the top right corner. Okay, Now I now have the wizard. The wizard is enabled. Start typing names. Okay, now watch. I want to make my resource layout unique. So to do that, I'm going to use my EPS structure to build my resource layouts. Okay, let's watch. So let's go. We will start with the project management. Project management. My ID, speed, and freshness. Then this resource is in a label, non-label or material. So it's a label. I'll click next. I'll click finish. Alright, I'll have another one. Okay, this one will be mechanical. Resource ID will make. Click next. So resource, accept the default as label. Next and click finish. I'll shift left. See the arrow to take mechanical to go from the bottom of project management, because I want it to align. Mechanical is not a sub-department of project management. There are two different departments, so I'm going to separate. Click, shift, left. Okay, you see the two on the same level. Okay. Also, if I want to make it unique again, because I didn't have, there's something I did not have here. I want to do that now. I'm going to shift up. I click add. Okay. I'm going to type S T G N N resources. Then the ID again. S T G N N. Okay. Next, finish. I'm going to shift left, then take it off. Alright, so now I'll now move this to now to now be sub, or the children of the STGLM resources. Okay, so I'm going to indent or shift right. See, I'm going to shift right. Move to mechanical, shift right. Okay, I want mechanical to fall below the environment, so I'm going to shift down, move down. Alright, looks better. So I'm going to add another EPS node. Alright, it's going to be training. So I'm going to delete this and type training. Okay, and type my training ID. Next, finish. I'm going to shift left to make sure training is on the same level with the mechanical management. Alright, so I'm going to stop here. I will not make a subunit of training like we did for EPS and OBS to save time. So the next step now is now start adding the resources the resources now, the people and the equipment or materials or items you use for project. So I'll start with project management. Start adding. I'll use Wizard for project management. Then for mechanical and training, I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut. I'm going to use my keys, my shortcut keys. Alright? So you watch as I use the Wizard to create or to add resources. Delete this, then type the name. The first person in my project management department is Mabel. Mabel Uken. Mabel Uken. The resource ID is MN. So I'm going to click next. Now resource type is labor. Accept it. Click next. Now, how many hours, the difference in per time, how many hours will labor can work per day? So labor can be working maximum or default hours per day of 8 hours. But the maximum hours labor is allowed to work per day is 9 hours. So I'm going to give her 9 hours. Then how much is median salary per hour? Median salary per hour is $65. $65 per hour. So we click next. Our phone number is optional, but let's type it 080-381-706. We also enter our email address. But for the sake of this class, to save time, I'm going to enter our email address. I'm going to click next. Assign rules. We have not set up rules, so I'm going to skip rules for now. Click next. Resource calendar. Woo! Select an existing calendar or create new personal calendar for this resource. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select an existing calendar and edit it for Mabel. So to do that, I'll accept the default, select an existing calendar, click next. So which is the existing calendar Mabel using is corporate standard full time. So I'm going to edit the calendar for her. By doing that, to do that now, I'm going to click on view or edit. Okay. Mabel is working 8 hours per day. You see this total work hours per day is checked. Then see when she's working Monday to Friday. Okay. Just click on the work week with 8 hours. So that's maybe if I want her to work 9 hours on Thursday, you can work 9 hours on Thursday, then make her work 7 hours on Friday. Just depending, just to show you how to adjust. Click OK. Alright. Then the detail work hours. That will break between 12 and 1. So I'm going to click. For me to do for all, we need to start to Friday. I need to come to this work week and alight Monday to Friday. Alright, so the next step now is to now show you the break time, which is no work. I'll click on this, I'll click no work, this, no work, this, work. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Work. How many hours now? let's check. Click OK. To check, go back to total work hours per day, showing us 7 hours. Okay, so for me to make it 8 hours or 9 hours, I'll go back and make my adjustment. Then she thinks she has to work till 4 o'clock. Work. Click OK. Alright, so we click next. We are done with putting calendar for member. Click next. Auto complete the actuals for this resource. No, I don't want to auto complete actuals because most time people don't progress as planned. Click next. Congratulations. Click finish. So, and I'll add another one under project management. Add patience follow. The resource ID is PK. Next, accept labor. Next, so we work it out per day. How much is our salary? I pay per hour. Pay $50. Click next. Phone number optional. Click next. Roles for now, leave it. Click next. Resource calendar. Select this and edit. Next. You know how to contractuals. Next. Finish. Okay, I'm going to shift left to make patients to go on the same level with Mabel. Okay. Then let's go to mechanical. Now this mechanical training, I'm going to use my shortcut key using the keyboard. So just listen attentively. Now, this is the shortcut. To add new resource, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press insert key on my keyboard. You see? I've done that. Press enter. Then I want to shift. Okay, I want to shift it to right. I use my arrow key on the keyboard. Right. To edit, I'll press enter. Then start typing names now. Sheldon James. Press enter. Left. Press enter. Resource ID SJ. Press enter. Okay. Then insert. Press enter. Right. Enter. Type the name. Remy. Remy Babs. Press enter. Move left. Press enter. Enter the resource ID. Press enter. Now I'll show you. Now I want to shift left. I want to move this resource, the new Babs, to be on the same level with SJ Sheldon James. So what I'm going to do, the shortcut key now is you press your shift, control, alt, and plus the shift left, shift arrow on your keyboard. The shift left arrow on your keyboard. You see it has been shifted. Okay, that's a shortcut. Okay, then I'll do that for training. I click on training. To add a resource now in the shortcut, I'll press insert key on my keyboard. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . In a few minutes now we'll go for break. We'll come back in the next class. So I'm going to type in my resources for training. Press enter. Left, press enter. Enter my resource ID DA. Press enter. I want to shift it left, so I'll press my shift control alt plus arrow left. Right, so we've shifted it okay back. Now I'm this, so let me add the last resource for this class. Insert, enter, right key, enter, menu. Francis, enter, arrow left arrow key, enter, source ID, F, enter, press Ctrl Shift Alt plus left arrow key. Now, see these four resources I just created using a shortcut key. I'm going to enter the details. So what I'm going to do, I'll go back to Sherwin James and I'll enter the detail. Okay. Code, you skip code for now because we have not created code. Details, see the detail. Alright. Label, uncheck this autocomplete. Autocomplete actual, uncheck it. Then create personal calendar. Alright. Click OK for this. So it's using the same calendar with Sherwin James. Sorry, this is one calendar, create special calendar for him. Okay, different from the previous calendar we're using for the others. So I'll move to unit per price. Okay, entered his rate per hour, paying $70 per hour. Then rows are not located for now. No, skip this for now. Move to remain and go for remain 2. Right. I'll go to personalized calendar for remain 2. Okay. Move to training barrier. Check autocomplete actual, per price, collecting $80 per hour. Then row skip, move to Nelly Francis, details, and check this. Put personal calendar for Nelly. Okay. Links and prices. Hourly rate for Nelly, $70. Wow. So we are going to go. So we are going to stop here. When we come back after the break, we'll now set up our roles, then assign roles to resources, and we'll do the one other remaining topic we close for this class. So it's time to go for break. Thank you for your patience.